All right, welcome back. We are converting metric units here. A little note that's going to help us at the top is 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So I'm just going to, before I do any of the problems, I'm just noting, so if I have meters to centimeters, I'm going to have more. So I'm just going to put a plus for my meters to centimeters. If I'm going from centimeters to meters, I'm going to have less. And I can see that we have multiplication here and division, but I'm just noting that for myself. So my answer, I should have more centimeters here than I have meters here. So I'm timesing by 100, moving over twice, 90, timesing by 100, moving over twice, 106, by 100, moving over twice, 375, timesing by 100, moving over twice, 3923. Timesing by 100, 12400, dividing by 100, 1, 2, 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 dividing by 100, oops, ahead of myself there. There we go. All right, now I'm doing meters to centimeters. So I know, which is the same thing I just did. All right, times 100, 98, 1 meter, 98 centimeters. Oh, and this is kind of silly because you could just separate this. Here's your meters, here's your centimeters, but that's okay. Yeah, and take it out to the hundredths place. So here's 9 meters, 30 centimeters. Times 100, 1, 2, 50 centimeters, 817 and 50, 1, 2, 100, 7 centimeters, 150 meters, and 7 centimeters. Thinking about that, the centimeters is in the hundredths place, right? All right, now we're going backwards. So we're dividing by 100. So 6 centimeters is 1, 2, is 6/100ths of a meter, 97. Divided by 100, 1, 2. Here we go, 4 divided by 100, 2. So this is 5 meters. So this is 4 meters plus 5 meters, which is 9 meters. All right, last one here. 7 divided by 100, 1, 2. Perfect. All right, here, remembering that there are 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So I'm going to multiply my kilometers by 1,000 to get meters. 1. And hold on for a second here.
I have a question.
All right, sorry about that. So here we're remembering that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So we were moving this over 3, 1, 2, 3, filling in my zeros, 600 meters. I'm timesing by 1,000. I'm going to move over 1, 2, 3, fill in my zeros, 2, 1, 0, 2 zeros there. Moving over, timesing by 1,000, moving over 3, timesing by 1,000, moving over 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to divide by 1,000, right? Moving over 1, 2, 3. dividing by 1,000, moving over 1, 2, 3. Dividing by 1,000, moving over 1, 2, 3, putting my 0. Dividing by 1,000, moving over 1, 2, 3, putting in my zeros. And I'm going to pause again here. All right, and we're back. Next page here. All right, so now we just have to be cognizant of whether we're multiplying or dividing by 1,000. So here we're going to multiply by 1,000, 2, 3. Multiply by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Multiply by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Multiply by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Divide by 1,000. Now I'm going the other way, 1, 2, 3. Divide by 1,000, going the other way, 1, 2, 3. Add in my zeros. Divide by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. All right, and that was kilograms to grams. That's weight. And here's liters to milliliters. This is volume. So I'm just noticing whether I'm multiplying or dividing here, going from liters to milliliters or going from milliliters to liters. I'm going to have more multiplying by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Multiplying by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Multiplying by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Add my zeros. Multiplying by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Multiplying by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Dividing 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 by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. All right. Now I'm looking at the decimals and the parts of the whole here. So let's see here. Kilometers to meters. I'm going to multiply by 1,000. 1, 2, 3 is 30 meters. It's just 730 meters. No, I'm only multiplying kilometers to meters. Times 1,000. 1, 2, 3. Times 1,000. Don't forget about this part, this part, this part. 1, 2, 3, 8. Times 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 50, 50, 50. Times 1,000. 1, 2, 3. 15, 300. Times 1,000. 1, 2, 3. 50, all right, and times 1,000, 1, 2, 3. 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 Now we're going to be dividing, going the other way. Divided by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Dividing by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Dividing by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. divided by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Right. Pause again here. All right, finishing up here. Sorry about that. We are dividing by 1,000 here. 1,000. Move the decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 0.073. 5 point. 5 divided by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. Add those. 0.005. 5. 0.005. Divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. 7. 90. 90.07. Divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. 0.65. 58.65. 58.65. All right, some word problems here. William runs 5 meters in 20 steps. How many kilometers will he run after taking 1,000 steps? So 1,000 divided by 20 is 500. 50 is 50. Divided by 2 is 500. Divided by 20 is 50. 5 meters in, I don't know why I did that. Jumped ahead of myself. All right, he runs 5 meters in 20 steps. Okay, so in 1,000 meters, there are 50 groups of 20. So 50 times 5 is 250 meters, which is divided by 50 divided by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. He will have run this many kilometers. All right, a bottle of fruit juice is 800 milliliters. How many liters of fruit juice are in 120 bottles? So we need to do 120 times 8, 0, 16, 9 times 100, 100. How many liters is that? So divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 96 liters. All right. A box weighs 750 grams. There are 25 such boxes. What are the, is it, okay, so 750 times 25 is 0, 25, 35, 36, 37, 0, 0, 0, 14, 15, 0, 5, 7, 8, 1, divided by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 18.75 kilograms. Trees are planted along a road that is 2 kilometers, 50 meters long. 11 trees are planted in equal distance apart. So the distance in meters between each tree. So the whole road is 2 kilometers. 2.05. That's 2 kilometers and 50 meters. Divided by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by 10. 205 meters apart. There we go. All right, that concludes converting metric units.